Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
It says in our ancient scriptures also that आपको जैसा बच्चा चाहिए आप वो क्रिएट कर सकते हो. We humans have that capacity to do that, but कहीं ना कहीं वो चला गया है.
Everything impacts the growth of the child, the mental and the emotional development of the child.
बहुत लोगों के सामने बच्चे को डांट देना या कुछ बोल देना, which is sometimes डांटते भी नहीं है, but ऐसा बोल देते तो बच्चे को ऐसे लगता है कि I mean what, why this? एंड वाई दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन. पेरेंटिंग के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो आपका बच्चा जो भी खाता है वो भी आपको बहुत मैटर करता है वो चीज़, क्योंकि जिस दिन अगर बच्चे ने स्ट्रीट फूड खाया है या कुछ भी बाहर का खाया है, नेक्स्ट डे उसकी इमोशनल हेल्थ पे वो दिखेगा. पेरेंट हम बहुत लेबल्स, हम नहीं तो बाजू वाले या तो फैमिली, सब लेबल्स लगा देते, पतला मोटा छोटा नाटा, ये सारे लेबल्स, एंड देन बच्चा पूरी जिंदगी वो लेबल के साथ जीता है.
पेरेंटिंग में जो हम बच्चों को सिखाना चाहते हैं वो एक्चुअली बर्थ से नहीं शुरू होता, वो बिफोर बर्थ शुरू जाता है. द नॉलेज स्टार्ट्स इन द वूम.
One of the parent was not ready for the baby, and then they have seen the denial from the child after the birth. The father was not ready for the baby, and because of that the disconnection is there between the father and the child. छोटे होते तो वो रेस भी, मतलब अगर थोड़ा बोल भी दिया तो बोलेंगे कि बैक आंसरिंग कर रहे हो, तुम तो सामने जवाब दे रहे हो. तो मतलब बच्चे का बोलना भी बैक आंसरिंग नहीं होता. आप अगर बच्चे को आज नहीं बोलने दोगे तो कल वो दुनिया के सामने कैसे आवाज उठाएगा.
Hello and namaste. Once again, your friend and guide from 9 and Beyond, your holistic pregnancy app, which by now I think and I hope and I pray is becoming like your lifestyle thing. And like we say, going beyond the realms of the 9 months and probably before, we, as promised, every time we try to bring you an expert जिनकी विजडम और नॉलेज से हम आपकी जर्नी को, सिर्फ प्रेगनेंसी जर्नी को नहीं, प्री कंसेप्शन, पोस्ट कंसेप्शन, टिल एंड पार्ट ऑफ पेरेंटिंग, एंड ऑल्सो बेसिकली लाइक वी इंसिस्ट दिस इज अ लाइफस्टाइल जो आपके खुद के अंदर के भी बदलाव की तरफ आपको झुकाता है. और इस जर्नी के लिए आज वी हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सोल विद अस, आशा वगासिया जी. आशा जी, thank you so much for coming here. Thank you. Giving us your time and to be coming here voluntarily to share your wisdom and knowledge. We are honored and humbled by it. Thank you so much for being here today. आशा जी के बारे में मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी कि she is Ahmedabad based and born into an affluent business family, married into another affluent family. Yet, because of a strong beliefs in karma and being compassionate human being, realizing, having a bend of mind towards human behavior and psychology, she did not toe the line of business, though she is qualified as a fashion designer. She moved on to bring a change in everybody's life, coming out of her own experiences where, as a woman, as a human being, I think we all experience societal pressures, the belief in karmas, and when we see all these things together, हमको realize होता है कि इन सब के पीछे कुछ और है जो हमारे को गाइड करता है, जो हमारे को कभी कभी रोकता है. और ये जर्नी इतनी छोटी और सिंपल नहीं है. इट इज़ अ वेरी इन डेप्थ स्टडी. और जब आप इस लाइन पे जाते हो तो आप पीछे पीछे जाना शुरू कर देते हो, ये शुरू कहाँ से होता है, राइट? सो जस्ट टैपिंग इन टू दैट, शी बिकेम अ पेरेंटल कोच, ट्राइंग टू ब्रिज दैट गैप कि वो क्या मिसिंग लिंक है जो फैमिलीज के ऊपर सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स क्रिएट होते हुए यू कैन फाइंड द राइट बैलेंस टू टर्न योर सेल्फ इन टू अ राइट काइंड ऑफ पेरेंट विद द राइट काइंड ऑफ पेरेंटिंग. बच्चे को लेके आए हैं, बार बार कहते हैं ये एक भक्ति है, इसके लिए शक्ति चाहिए, और इसी को एम्पावर करने के लिए आशा जी ने अपनी लाइफ को डेडिकेट किया है. इमेजिन, she got married, she had her kids. Out of her own personal experience, she realized that she needed help herself as well as extend that help to others, because she found that missing link in her head and she wanted to fill up the jigsaw puzzle. इसके लिए उन्होंने she went again back to college, educating herself in counseling, empowering herself not just here in Ahmedabad, but went to Yale University in USA to master the subject, came back empowered, and decided to launch a V Plus parenting platform, which is generally your guide to, maybe we can say, journey from conception to adulthood.
Yes.
Right? And आप जब इनसे बात करेंगे आपको realize होगा the glow on her face, which is coming from within, is coming from this beautiful knowledge of ancient wisdom of Garb Sanskar combined with the modern sciences, aligning her thought process with Nine and Beyond. We decided, let's do this together and try to create a change whereby we can help each other create better human beings by just basically some lifestyle adaptations of the right value system, which our Vedas are so rich with, but also backed with scientific knowledge and scientific science. Because Nine and Beyond ने prove किया है with all the doctors, psychologists, everybody coming here on this platform, nutritionists, कि ये सच है. हमारी वैदिक साइंसेस मॉडर्न साइंस एक्सेप्ट करता है. द ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट इज, इन्होंने अपने फ्रेमवर्क को एक बहुत खूबसूरत नाम दिया है. नाइन एंड बियॉन्ड का हम बार बार कहते हैं, व्हाट इज द कैप्सूल? आहार, विचार और व्यवहार. And the other pillars, like we say, nutrition, your mind, your body, your soul. We try to bring that together. और इन्होंने बहुत खूबसूरत इस फ्रेमवर्क को नाम दिया है आत्मा. A is for an, T is for tan, an is your nutrition, tan is your body, M is man, which is your mind, आचार and व्यवहार, which is A, आत्मा. इस फ्रेमवर्क में ये आपको वो नॉलेज देते हैं which is such a complete knowledge today to create a lifestyle, to create better human values and create a better world. Thank you so much, Asha, once again for being here today.
So thank you so much, and it is my absolute pleasure to be here, because I always watch Nine and Beyond's videos, and I always feel happy that there are people in the world who are creating awareness about this subject, and I always feel happy about it, because this subjects actually need so much awareness. And I always feel that someone who is into this field, or who is talking about this particular field, or we are not competitors. I think we are the people who have same thought process,
Absolutely.
who want to do something special for this generation.
Yes.
And so I think we are together here today.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
And
much.
hopefully, we shall be able to embark on a journey
Yes.
whereby we can try to bring a positive change into the world. People create terrorists, we will create saints.
Yes.
Right? I made this world.
And I think the way the way our wisdom reaches to the world, like let's say yoga. Now yoga is everywhere, every part of the world. So that's way we can think about Indian way of Vedic parenting. We can think about Garbha Sanskar. We can think about Bij Sanskar, and same way like yoga, we can just do the things for this subjects also.
Absolutely. एक बात बताएं, as you started your journey as a parental coach,
Yeah.
right? As a parental coach and a counselor, coming in contact with, YY or seminars and collaborations and counseling sessions with the medical practitioners, psychologists, psychiatrists, educationists,
Yeah.
आपको realize हुआ कि parenting में एक missing link है. I mean, like, what is your story about this? आपको ये चीज़ कैसे realize हुई, and what helped you embark into this journey?
So basically, when I started parenting, when I was struggling as a parent, as a mother, because I was quite a young mother. So when I was 21 and a half, I have had my first baby, and then by 23 and a half, second baby, and by 25, I was full to's mother of two.
Right.
And then the struggle has been started, and वो होता है ना कि एक टाइम पे आपको नहीं रियलाइज होता कि अब मैं करूँ क्या.
Yeah.
And I think that was my stage where I realized that, and I was not able to channelize my own emotions also probably that time. So I don't understand that how to behave with my children or how what to do. And the cause was sibling rivalry because two boys
Right.
and they were fighting like anything at time, and it was like very as a mother there was a guilt also, once you scold them or sometime, you like
Yeah.
you say a few words which you don't want to, but absent, but you do that. So, and after that, the mother guilt was so much. And then I realized that there is something missing. And it is not about my children. It is just not about them because I don't know certain things. और मुझे नहीं पता है कुछ चीज़ें एज अ मदर, तो वो उनकी गलती नहीं है.
Right.
Then I started learning or finding about this, that how to solve this. And then I realized that, okay, there is something called parenting in this world, which I realized very late, probably. And by that time, I was loaded with guilt of like, scolding so much to my elder son more. Because वो होता है ना कि बड़े बच्चे को हम ज्यादा वो
Yeah.
करते हैं कि भाई तू समझ जा, तू कर ले, वो तो छोटा है ऐसे. बट देन आई डिडंट रियलाइज कि उस टाइम पे वो भी छोटा ही था.
Yeah.
मीन वो भी इतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ था, बट स्टिल वो उसके साथ वो हुआ. So then it's all started, and then I realized that okay, it's not his fault or it's not a younger one's fault. It's just we need to understand as a parent. And then I started learning about parenting. Then I started with sibling right, how to solve that, and then more parenting things. And then
So starting with self-reading, or were you?
one seminar we organized, we called some one educator from other city, and then we organized one seminar, first seminar of parenting. And then the subject, like, so get close to my heart that okay, fine, this is something everyone should learn, but let me start with myself. And then I realized that parenting is never about your children. It is about you as a person, your growth, your understanding, your emotional well-being. Basically, as a female, it is very important. We never care about our own emotions,
Yeah.
and then it goes on our children. It's absolute
Absolutely.
truth.
Yes.
That जो भी हमारे साथ होता है, फिर हम ultimately वो बच्चे पे जाता है. And we don't have that boundaries. We don't understand those boundaries, that उनको कैसा लगता होगा उस time पे. And so my entire focus changed to the happiness of the child. And that's how this parenting journey started. So I started understanding, learning, self-learning and reading, lot of reading, and then applying. Then something work, something doesn't work, because everything is not like, applicable to your family, because it is
It's not
very,
by the book.
yes, it is not by the book. So it is very different from family to family.
Mm.
Your environment is different than my environment is different. My family system is different than others' family system is different. So when people are like, doing parenting in mass, I feel like no, it is not the right way, because it is very personal and I need to understand my ecosystem towards a child, and then I do parenting. Yeah.
Amazing. Motherhood is a new chapter, and you deserve the right support. Nine and Beyond gives you daily routines, masterclasses, and guided practices, combining the best of science and Garv Sanskar traditions. It's more than an app, it's your personal pregnancy coach. Start your journey with Nine and Beyond today. Download now. Was there any one particular moment, or professionally or personally, which you can recall, which made you really rise up, wake up to this situation? Was it?
Yeah. So the moment was like, as I told you that, the motherly guilt, probably, where, it is like something from within that now it's enough. Because of that, probably, the conflict between husband and wife also happens sometime, and we unknowingly do it in front of our children, and we don't know that what impacts we are creating on them, right? So they are like under what relationship idea we are giving to them, so we don't realize, and then we do all these things. So that moment, probably, the awakening thing that this is not right.
Very nice point you have said कि जब आप मतलब कोई भी कपल आपस में डिसएग्री कर रहा है या आर्ग्यू कर रहा है बच्चों की प्रेजेंस में, what kind of idea we are giving them about relationship building, right? I think that's a very, very beautiful point you're touching, because there is no doubt about it.
Yeah.
That is the foundation of, for them
Yeah.
as babies, कि this is what relationships are all about.
Yeah.
I know. That is why we say ये वाकई ये भक्ति है, parenting वाकई एक भक्ति है.
And it is not something that you learn overnight और आपने classes कर लिए, आपने videos देख लिए और आपका हो गया, या आपने कुछ सीख लिया. So it's ongoing.
Absolutely.
At this age, like so right now my sons are like 26-year and 24-year-old, but still I'm learning every day.
Absolutely.
अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि ये बात कैसे करूंगी या वो उनको कैसे बताऊंगी. So it's always learning. It's never ending thing.
That's what growth is all about.
Yeah.
Right? It's a change is the only constant we have, and we have to continue to change for betterment. Otherwise, we stagnate.
Yeah.
Right? So, आप मतलब considering आपकी business background थी, right? And you went into counseling and educating yourself in that line. How did that happen?
Frankly, so in my family, no one has thought of like, this kind of thing ever. So for everyone, this is something new which I was doing and I was going towards. So, but yeah, as I said that, when I started applying parenting to my own journey, and then every other day, the statement to my husband was, Bhavish, I want to do something in parenting. I want to do something in parenting, and one day I will do it. So every third, fourth day, I was just saying this, that this is something, very much needed. I was seeing around, like even in family also, that people are like, abusing their children. I just don't want to use this word, but
I can understand as a mother what you mean, because like you said, even my children are all grown up now, absolute adults. When I look back after getting into the journey of Garb Sanskar, I realize the mistakes I have made.
Yeah.
And I don't call them mistake, I call them abuse.
Yeah.
In my head also.
Yes.
And it makes you feel miserable.
Yeah.
कि आपने कैसे किया अपने बच्चे के साथ. उस समय आपको realize नहीं हो रहा था कि आप सही नहीं हो.
Yes,
Right?
and it is not intentional
right.
also.
It wasn't intentional.
It wasn't intentional.
Out of unaware.
Yes.
And that is why I think आप और मैं यहाँ बैठे हैं. You share this knowledge कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है समझना. और ये time समझाता है कि it is never about the children.
Yeah.
It is about us.
Yes.
So like the lesson is don't react, respond.
Yeah.
And वो respond करने के लिए जो खुद को training चाहिए, I think सबसे बड़ा गर्भ संस्कार तो वही है. And तो एक बात बताएं. So considering कि like पेरेंटिंग की जर्नी शुरू होती है, वहाँ से रियलाइज होता है कि पेरेंटिंग में जो हम बच्चों को सिखाना चाहते हैं वो एक्चुअली बर्थ से नहीं शुरू होता, वो बिफोर बर्थ शुरू हो जाता है. द नॉलेज स्टार्ट्स इन द वूम.
Yeah.
Veda says, science has proved it.
Yeah.
Right? And actually, after so many podcasts of 9 and beyond, we know actually it starts much earlier.
Yeah.
Right? In the preparation time.
Yes, absolutely.
जिसको शायद हम बीज संस्कार कहते हैं. आपकी नज़र में ये बीज संस्कार क्या है? Let's start from the basic today.
Right.
कि ये बीज संस्कार क्या है and how is it different from just taking care of health before conception?
Right. Yeah. So basically, what I believe is like, and even I have read somewhere that when you start thinking, to become parent, जब आपको ये thought, ये विचार आता है कि आपको माता पिता बनना है, तब से ही आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हो जाती है.
Absolutely.
तो उस टाइम पे सबसे पहले एज अ कपल, अगर आप सेम वेवलेंथ पे नहीं हो, या तो वन ऑफ द पेरेंट और कपल is disagree to the thought, then also you should not conceive, because that impact also comes on the baby. So वहाँ पे सबसे पहले आपका थॉट, दोनों का थॉट एक होना ज़रूरी है कि हाँ, नाउ इज़ द टाइम, वी आर लाइक मेंटली रेडी, इमोशनली रेडी, फिजिकली, फाइनेंशियली, सब तरह से अगर हम प्रिपेयर है, देन यू स्टार्ट फॉर द प्रोसेस.
जिसको हम conscious conception.
यस, कॉन्शियस कंसेप्शन, जिसको हम बाकी it's all accidental babies.
Yeah. Which we are learning with time.
Yes.
See, it should not be.
Yes.
It can happen. Nobody denies.
Yes. But
If it has happened, then how to cope up with that?
exactly.
Also,
So,
it has been our endeavor.
right.
Right.
So that is first thing that you and now now this generation, I feel so good about them that they
Yeah.
plan everything.
Yes.
So they have that awareness, they have that, knowledge also, and they have that kind of freedom also probably.
Actually,
So they prior they think about it, they plan about it. So I feel that, for them it is easy to prepare themselves or to plan about the baby, everything. So for them, it is actually easy first to be on the same wavelength and then plan a baby. So I think Beej Sanskar start from a thought. Because if I can give you an example of one uh, German couple, which I have read somewhere. So,
Right.
one of the parent was not ready for the baby, and then
Right.
they have seen the denial from the child after the birth for so many years. And after, when they went to therapist and when they go deep down to the root cause, that time they realized that okay, that time the father was not ready for the baby, and because of that the disconnection is there between the father and the child. So it takes time to repair even your thought. Yeah. So yeah, I think.
And yeah, this is the second time जैसे आप we ऐसे sessions करते हो तो you came across this couple. हम लोग पहले भी podcast में we had a podcast with neurologist from Dubai who is a scientist and a neurologist. Imagine अपनी and a medical doctor. उन्होंने अपनी line change करी and she's come here. और उनके experience में she came across this child like the mother didn't want the baby. Can you believe it? And right through her pregnancy वो इतनी miserable थी और उसके बाद जब बेबी हुआ refused to pop. पूरी दुनिया में दिखा दिया बेस्ट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स को एंड देन जिनसे उन्होंने पढ़ा था ये न्यूरो साइंटिस्ट जो उनके प्रोफेसर थे उन्होंने ये चीज़ को रियलाइज करा माँ से बात करके उन्होंने एक वूम क्रिएट करा राइट जिसमें उस बच्चे को बिठाते थे 9 months तक और माँ बाहर बैठ के बोलती थी कि आई वॉन्ट यू एंड द चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग
Yeah.
it's a true
Yeah.
story so like imagine हम unknowingly
कितना
एक गलत थॉट से कितना डैमेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड व्हेन वी से अब्यूज आई मीन आई डोंट वांट द लिटरल वर्ड ऑफ इट
but
अननोइंगली ये किया है हमने राइट कि अगर हमारे को एक गलत थॉट किसी भी मोमेंट में आया है सो गॉड हेल्प अस नॉट हैव इट आई नॉट
so I think it's all about consciousness.
यस
So what I always tell parents is be conscious, mindful, be conscious, be mindful, observe your children, because it gives you so much joy also, and at times learning also. Because if you observing, you realize that what you're doing with them. Yeah. So now it's so much in my habit also to observe the children, because it's so much into me now.
Yeah.
I always observe if families are there and parents are saying something, then my entire focus will be on child, that what is yes expressions क्या आ रहा है बच्चे के और वो कैसे feel कर रहा है and everything, and then I feel very sad inside me because at times I can't say anything to parents also because sometimes जो advice चाहिए नहीं और अगर वो हम दे तो उसका कोई meaning नहीं रहता, but it is very painful when we see the children facing something because parents never understand that बहुत लोगों के सामने बच्चे को डांट देना या कुछ बोल देना विच इज समटाइम डांटते भी नहीं है बट ऐसा बोल देते तो बच्चे को ऐसे लगता है कि आई मीन व्हाट व्हाई दिस and why this in front of everyone, that is something I can see on the child, in the eyes or the face कि सबके सामने क्यों.
या मेरा आपको अगला सवाल ही यही था कि हम we know by now even psychology has proved it that our behavior which is like what we say what we do our lifestyle basically our environment everything impacts the growth of the child the mental and the emotional development of the child right you want to explain this better
Of course.
it's so you're very passionate about this yeah
So actually, you've rightly said that what the framework we have created. So it is not just about Veej Sanskar or Garv Sanskar or it is about a human development. When I talk about Atma framework, it is Anna, Tan, Man and Achar, which are So un is food. Let's say during pregnancy or before conception, what you are eating has an impact on the baby's growth and your health and everything. But in parenting, how you can apply this framework, or in your own journey as a human, you can apply this framework and you're done.
Yeah.
So what you're eating always has like in Gujarati,
We are what we eat.
yes, in
Yes.
Gujarati also there
Yes.
is a saying that आप जो खाते हो वही आपका मन, even you know for cooking also it says that कि जो कुक करता है उसके थॉट्स भी खाने में आते हैं, तो वट एवर यू आर ईटिंग वो तो इम्पैक्ट करेगा ही करेगा. सो फूड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ डेवलपमेंट. सो अगर पेरेंटिंग के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो आपका बच्चा जो भी खाता है वो भी आपको बहुत मैटर करता है वो चीज़, क्योंकि जिस दिन अगर बच्चे ने स्ट्रीट फूड खाया है या कुछ भी बाहर का खाया है, नेक्स्ट डे उसकी इमोशनल हेल्थ पे वो दिखेगा, क्योंकि वो स्लीप अच्छी नहीं होगी बिकॉज ऑफ द फूड. देन सेकेंड डे वो टेंट्रम्स करेगा बिकॉज इधर स्टमक अपसेट होगा या कुछ अच्छा फील नहीं करेगा, या मतलब अंदर से ही अच्छा नहीं फील करेगा, स्कूल नहीं जाना होगा. सो ऑल दिस इम्पैक्टिंग योर चाइल्ड, एंड देन आपका वही पेरेंटिंग चैलेंज चालू हो जाएगा. सो फूड इज समथिंग विच यू नीड टू टेक केयर. सो वीकेंड्स में हम देखते हैं कि मतलब बाहर जाते हैं बच्चे, बाहर का खाते हैं, देन से एवरी लाइक स्पेशली टॉडलर्स पेरेंट्स हैज़ कंप्लेन दैट बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं जाना होता, टाइम पे उठते नहीं है, उनकी स्लीप पूरी नहीं होती है. क्यों? Just because of the food they are consuming and the timings, you know, because we हॉलीडे है तो टाइमिंग्स की भी ठिकाने है, बच्चे उठते लेट है फिर सोते लेट है, तो इट्स ऑल लाइक यू नो कनेक्टेड. सो फूड इज अ वेरी important aspect when your parenting journey comes.
Even our Ayurveda says.
Yes.
Yeah. Your relationship with food builds your character.
Yes. So that is that. Then T is physical well-being. So every stage of the child, growth stage of the child. Let's say we have in Vedic parenting we have Panchkosha growth. So the segments are like 1 to 6 years, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, and then 18 and above, right? So the every developmental stage, physical well-being is very important. So 1 to 6 whatever your child is all about food, like आप जो फीड करते हो उसकी हेल्थ फिजिकल वेलबींग वैसा डेवलप होता है. 6 to 12 में बच्चा फिजिकली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होता है, तो आपको उसको गेम्स में डालना है, हॉबीज़ डेवलप करनी है, फिजिकली फिट रखना है बच्चे को, तो उसका ग्रोथ उस हिसाब से होता है. देन 12 to 18 में अगेन फिजिकल वेल, बच्चे का खुद का सेल्फ सेंस आ जाता है बॉडी का, तो उसको बॉडी शेमिंग आता है. टीन एज में सबसे ज़्यादा बॉडी शेमिंग आता है. उस टाइम पे आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ जनरली हम क्या करते हैं एज अ पेरेंट, हम बहुत लेबल्स, हम नहीं तो बाजू वाले या तो फैमिली, सब लेबल्स लगा देते, पतला मोटा छोटा नाटा, ये सारे लेबल्स, एंड देन बच्चा पूरी जिंदगी वो लेबल के साथ जीता है. सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द डेवलपमेंटल स्टेजेस ऑफ द चाइल्ड, एंड देयर दैट्स हाउ यू हैव टू लर्न. नो, इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि मैंने टॉडलर जब था मेरा बच्चा तब पेरेंटिंग के क्लासेस कर लिया ना, आई एम डन. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. Every developmental stage you should understand, and then you should learn about it, you read about it. Self learning is also something is there where you know you feel you just be aware about your child's development part. And I think अगर ऐसे आप चेंज होते जाओ, बिकॉज होता क्या है कि बच्चे तो बड़े होते जाते हैं, हम एज अ पेरेंट वहीं गए भाई, क्योंकि हमें लगता है
mindset.
यस, हमें लगता है कि हम पेरेंट्स बन गए तो हमें सब कुछ आता है, यू नो. सो आई जनरली ऑलवेज से दैट वंस यू बिकम पेरेंट्स यू फील योर सेल्फ लाइक अ MBA. इट्स लाइक मने बधु आवड़े, इट्स इन गुजराती लाइक
Exactly.
मुझे सब आता है ऐसे. सो वी गॉट द डिग्री ऑफ बीइंग अ पेरेंट, एंड देन वी स्टॉप लर्निंग, वी जस्ट स्टॉप taking any advice or any knowledge or anything. So somewhere we have to put our ego aside, and we have to learn things with our children, like you know, for our children, for ourselves.
Absolutely.
So that is how the journey goes on. Then again ATM, M is मन, बच्चे का मन, वो तो हम आई थिंक कभी पढ़ना ही नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि हम हमारे हमारे मन को ही हमने इतना मजबूत नहीं बनाया हुआ है कि हम हमारे बच्चों के मन को पढ़ पाए.
Right.
बिकॉज इमोशनल वेल बीइंग बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड सब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पे, जिसकी कोई बात भी नहीं करता और किसी को पता भी नहीं है शायद ज़्यादा। और थेरेपी लेना या कुछ एडवाइस लेना या कहीं जाना, वो तो हमें बहुत ऐसे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट राइट, शेमफुल है, और ऐसे लगता है मुझे क्या ज़रूरत है, यू नो। और हमारे लाइक गुजरात में तो ऐसे बोलते हैं कि नबળા મનના લોકો હોય ને એ લોકો જાય આવું બધું કરવા માટે, नो। सो
What does
इट्स
that mean?
सो जिनके मन बहुत क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नब सॉफ्ट होते हैं,
Right.
तो वो जाते हैं। मतलब हम जो स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडेड है उनको तो थेरेपी की जरूरत ही नहीं है, नो, काइंड ऑफ।
Okay. मतलब the therapy is for the weak heart.
वीक हार्ट, यस, वीक
person.
माइंडेड पीपल, या।
Okay.
सो सो
जबकि look at it like the way you're putting it, therapy is at every stage. See, अगर हम पेरेंट बने हैं तो पहले हम पेरेंट टॉडलर के थे, हमने बाय द टाइम वो टॉडलर से नेक्स्ट स्टेज पे पहुंचे, हमने भी तब तक मास्टर करा कि टॉडलर को कैसे,
एग्जैक्टली,
उसके बाद में आप सेकंड फेज में आए,
प्रीटीन,
again the same thing start. So every phase we also need to learn,
यस,
right? And learning should never stop with the first child.
या,
Sometimes we should be so aware, like you said, observation is the key word. कि हमने अपने पहले बच्चे के साथ जो गलतियां कर ली, एटलीस्ट वो वाली ना कर,
ना कर,
नहीं कर ले,
हाँ,
और नहीं होंगी, हो होती है, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड ये हमारा भी तो प्रोसेस
हाँ,
होता है जिसको हमको समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि हमारा प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ विल कंटिन्यू विद द चाइल्ड till the child is growing.
Yeah.
Last day of our life,
yeah.
isn't?
Yes. And even everyone, like entire family involves, you know, in this ecosystem. It's not just about parents.
Yeah.
Sometimes if we are into joint family, grandparents are there, even chacha chachi are there, like, so it's all about the family members. When we are raising a human in the family, then it's everyone's duty, and everyone has to be on a same path.
Yeah.
Because sometimes what happened is, parents come to me and then they say that मैम हम तो मना करते हैं मोबाइल देखने का, बट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दे देते हैं या कोई और दे देता है घर में, यू नो। सो देर इज नो सिनर्जी,
Yeah.
बट वाई नॉट? बिकॉज हम बात ही नहीं करते। देर इज नो कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन फैमिली मेंबर्स दैट व्हाट आई वांट एज अ मदर एंड व्हाट प्रोबेबली माई इन लॉज वांट एज अ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। उनके क्या थॉट्स है बच्चे को रेस करने में, मेरे क्या थॉट्स है, मेरे हस्बैंड के क्या थॉट्स है। सो देर इज नो सिस्टम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन फैमिली मेंबर्स. And I always tell people, like families who come to me, that, like, you know, put this into practice. Sit together, talk about it. कि भाई, being in this generation, probably I'm thinking like this to raise my children in certain way, but obviously they have experience, right? They are good with experiences. So it's always good to listen to them also. And sometimes you can combine things and raise a child in a better manner rather than just conflicting and talking about that ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. Because what are your efforts? आप क्या करते हो? ये नहीं जो हो रहा है उसके लिए आपके क्या efforts है? No one is thinking in that line. Because वो communication ही नहीं है. Transparent communication हम जिसको बोलते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं lack करता है. And that's why, you know.
Motherhood is a new chapter and you deserve the right support. 9 and Beyond gives you daily routines, masterclasses, and guided practices, combining the best of science and Garv Sanskar traditions. It's more than an app, it's your personal pregnancy coach. Start your journey with 9 and Beyond today. Download now. इस time में where family setups are actually collapsing, right? Because of lack of communication.
Yes.
I think it's very important for both generations to understand. See, the younger generation obviously do not want to take the experience of the older generation because it's called old school.
Yeah.
Sometimes old is gold.
Yes.
And there is no doubt about it.
Yes, of course.
And those wisdom pearls which we have, we should not discard them.
Yeah.
हमको उनको कंसिडर करना चाहिए. अप्लाई करना है नहीं करना है वो भी तो हमारे हाथ है, पर कंसिडर तो करना.
Exactly.
एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन है उनको भी ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उनके टाइम पे जो था शायद विद प्रोसेस एंड प्रोग्रेस चेंज हो गया है, एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो गया है. सो वेयर आर द पेरेंट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम कि वो ऐसे करना चाहते हैं, तो उनको भी अपना माइंड ओपन.
Yes.
Isn't? जब ये ओपननेस होगी फैमिली में, देन देयर इज एनर्जी टू रेज द चाइल्ड टुगेदर.
And तब वो बच्चा मतलब एक हैप्पी ह्यूमन को रेस कर पाओगे आप.
एब्सोल्युटली.
क्योंकि अदरवाइज वो बच्चा बेचारा इतना लोडेड है with so much of love and so much of like pressure also at times.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि प्यार तो है ही है बट प्रेशर भी है और हर जगह से है क्योंकि अभी एक तो वन चाइल्ड सिंगल चाइल्ड और दो बच्चे ज्यादा से ज्यादा राइट तो वो एक जो बच्चा है उसके ऊपर तो इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर है कि सबके एक्सपेक्टेशन को फुलफिल करना है उसको बिल्कुल राइट तो वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी
I think it's a very, very important lesson for families to understand कि if you want your child to be understand, first have an understanding amongst each other to know where each one of you are coming from. Be open to discussion.
Yeah.
And accept the other person's point of view too. And then do what is best for the child and not what was done or what should be done.
And I think when it comes to one emotional health, it's all about the emotional baggage, you know. So we always carry a lot of things like इसने ये बोल दिया, उसने ये बोल दिया, and then वो pile up होता जाता है. और बच्चों को भी कहीं ना कहीं हम यही सिखाते हैं कि जैसे इन अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल इफ आई कैन से दैट हमेशा जनरली ऐसा होता है कि मम्मी जो होती है वो हमेशा ऐसे बोलती है कि पापा थके हुए उनको ये मत बोलो यू नो और अगर गुस्सा कर दिया तो भी ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि इट्स ओके ही इज टायर्ड दैट्स व्हाई ही इज बिहेविंग इन सर्टेन वे but then what are you teaching to your kid? If you're tired you can behave like this, you can shout, you can do or like you can get angry if you're tired, you know. So unknowingly you are teaching your children that अगर आप ये इमोशन फील कर रहे हो या अगर आप ये सिचुएशन में हो तो दिस इज राइट टू डू तो आप ये सिखा रहे हो अपने बच्चों को आपका वो इंटेंशन नहीं है सिखाने का बट अननोइंगली आप ये सिखा रहे हो
Like for example, एक छोटी सी चीज है कि जब you want to go for a holiday, you want to take leave from the school, you write a letter making an excuse,
यस
not realizing कि आपने अपने बच्चे के हाथ जब वो लेटर भेजा तो आपने उसको झूठ बोलने का लेसन सिखा दिया, right? Which is not a done thing. So you need to prioritize कि आपको आपके बच्चे में कौन सा behavior डालना है. Yeah, right. So it's all about always about us. आपको पता है when I watched that movie ताले ज़मीं पर was much younger, I was so angry with Amir Khan. I wanted to meet him and tell him why is it always everything about the child and never about the parent. कभी उनके बारे में भी सोचा कितना मुश्किल. But as I grew up and I matured, I would say as I matured,
Yeah.
especially after I got into the journey of Garb Sanskar, I value that movie so much today.
Yeah.
It is about the child. And हमारा behavior toward the child is initiating their behavior back, isn't it? Because we can't cope up with our emotional baggage.
एग्जैक्टली
Throw it on them and वो बेचारे फिर cope ही नहीं कर पाते.
और उनके पास तो चॉइस
और
भी नहीं
ये भी नहीं देखते कि कितनी वजहें होती हैं चीज की, right? So there is no doubt about it कि yes, we all have to understand कि अगर हम एक बच्चे को दुनिया में लेके आए तो हमारी चॉइस से लेके आए. So then we have to be very mindful every single set about it.
और जैसे आपने बताया कि एवरीथिंग लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट चाइल्ड बट उनके पास तो चॉइस भी नहीं है बच्चे के पास तो चॉइस नहीं है कि वो पेरेंट्स बदल ले so उसको तो ये सहन करना ही है क्यों और छोटे होते तो वो रेस भी मतलब अगर थोड़ा बोल भी दिया तो बोलेंगे कि बैक आंसरिंग कर रहे हो तुम तो सामने जवाब दे रहे हो तो मतलब बच्चे का बोलना भी बैक आंसरिंग नहीं होता आप अगर बच्चे को आज नहीं बोलने दोगे तो कल वो दुनिया के सामने कैसे आवाज उठाएगा अगर वो आपके सामने ही नहीं बोल पाएगा 2 लोगों के सामने या 4 लोगों के सामने फैमिली में अगर वो नहीं बोल पाएगा तो बाहर जाके वो कैसे बोलेगा बिल्कुल सो यू जस्ट डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग्स एंड आप अपने बच्चे को हमेशा टोकते रहते हो कि सामने मत बोलो जवाब मत दो बट रादर देन दैट यू हैव टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि बोलना कैसे है या जवाब कैसे देना है
Exactly.
rather than saying don't answer or don't
It's like how you should do it.
yes
Instead of saying why are
Right.
you doing it,
Yeah.
teach them how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. एक बात बताओ, आप we are talking about mindfulness and consciousness. This conscious parenting is only for the woman, or I think the man has an equal role to play in it from day one of conception. I'm talking.
As I said from day one
Yes.
thought of both the like you know the couple has to be same so from there and then it's equal from both the parents like couple because it's not just about mother it's not just about a woman who is raising a child, right? It's same effort has to be there from a father also, and not even father, I say the entire family. But when we talk about parents, then if I give my own example, so when I started understanding and realizing and learning, it's always like my husband always, initially he always felt that, all these things are necessary or not, or
Yeah.
so it happens because if you don't know, you always have a question about it. But
Yeah.
then today I feel, and I can say proudly, that whenever he wants to talk to my children, he asks me that how should I tell this or how should I go about it, so and so this is the journey we have had together. So this is something like everyone should achieve, it's a equal role. Sometimes he say that, okay, you tell this and you tell this in better way or this way,
Right.
where he feel like, probably if I say कि मैं बोलूंगा तो शायद नहीं समझ में आएगा, या मेरे कहने का तरीका गलत हो जाएगा. So this equal understanding will be there in the parents, because बच्चे ना बहुत शार्प, बहुत शाने होते हैं. उनको पता है कि उनका काम कहाँ से निकलवाना है, तो वो तो बचपन से उनको समझ आ जाता है. तो अगर आपने थोड़ी सी भी गलती कर दी तो उनको पता है कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है, मेरी चीजें.
बिल्कुल.
सो वो बहुत फायदा भी उठाते हैं बच्चे पेरेंट्स का. तो वहाँ पे आपको एज अ टीम काम करना है, और टीम हमेशा इक्वली काम करती है.
That's why it's never called mothering or fathering. It is called parenting.
Parenting, yeah.
Parenting means together. It's a teamwork. It is never done individually, right? So teamwork has to be there.
Yeah.
If you want a well-rounded child. So that mindfulness, yes, has to be there, right? And knowing कि आप strongly believe करते हैं, I think अब तक हम लोग सब इस बात की भी accept करते हैं कि ये जो parenting है, it starts actually in the womb or maybe much before. Yes, like you said, it starts from the day you start thinking,
Yeah.
isn't it? So इस चीज के प्रोसेस के लिए what are the lifestyle changes you recommend to the couples to achieve this?
Right. So, as I said, right from preconception, so first of all, physical well-being. Are you ready physically or not? So first of all, detoxification. In Ayurveda we say that panchkarma.
Yeah.
So there is a process of 3 to 6 months where you go for detoxification, your body cleansing and everything, and then you prepare for the conception. So it takes 3 to 6 months, and then the entire journey where you feel so good about your body and the positivity about your body. All your organs are ready to welcome the baby. So first thing is physical fitness. Then again, emotional well-being is very much needed. Then financial aspect is also there. Sometime what happened that you plan a baby, but then what? Like all the expenses will be there, right? So and after year 2 year, you feel that okay, now what to do for this. So before that, plan financials also. So when you consider the entire aspect of it, and then you plan a baby, then I think it's real beach sanskar in today's time,
Right.
because otherwise beach sanskar is like welcoming the soul and with the mantras and all the processes there. So that is all there in the ancient way of Bija Sanskar. But when we consider it in today's generation, then what? Because sometimes they are staying away from their parents in other cities. So the accessibility of, the help, that is also very much important, that when you are alone,
Right.
then who will be there, like your circle, inner circle. So who will be there in your inner circle, so all these things are considerable for the modern generation. And when you combine Bij Sanskar with modern science and modern way of living, then I think you can create something beautiful for them.
Yeah. So when you say combining this wisdom with the modern way, can you be a little more specific of how to do this?
So, when we talk about Beach Sanskar, we have created the entire program of 3 to 6 months of the planning phase.
Right.
We handhold them with the entire process where we take care of, again, based on Atma framework, about their diet, their emotional well-being, physical well-being, and communication, behavior, thought process, everything. So everything based on Atma framework, and we help them create the baby they want. I think it says in our ancient scriptures also that आपको जैसा बच्चा चाहिए आप वो create कर सकते हो. We humans have that capacity to do that, but कहीं ना कहीं वो चला गया है, लुप्त हो गया, और हम उस पे ध्यान भी नहीं दे रहे और इतनी मेहनत भी नहीं कर रहे. आई थिंक बिल्कुल इट्स ऑल अबाउट थोड़ी सी ज्यादा मेहनत इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम, लेट्स से 9 + 6 और 3. और अगर आपने वो कर लिया तो एक्चुअली यू कैन क्रिएट व्हाट यू वांट. तो बस वी हैंड होल्ड देम, वी हेल्प देम टू क्रिएट द बेबी ऑफ देयर डिजायर. एंड समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंड दैट प्रोबेबली अभी जैसे वर्किंग कपल्स है तो जॉब ओरिएंटेड और वर्क लाइफ ओरिएंटेड होते हैं, तो एक टाइम चला जाता है, एज चली जाती है, एंड देन दे गो टू IVF. बट that is also okay. Like, I never say that the modern science is not right, or something which we are doing is all only right thing, but it is always a combination. It's always a support. If you're going for IVF, then probably it will take 2-3 cycle, but with the support of this, probably आपका एक cycle में काम हो जाएगा. So it is always a support. When we work with IVF centers also, we always say that we are not a competition, but we just give support in a lifestyle management, because it is very much necessary. The pressure they are feeling in this particular time, when the process is happening, the mental stress, the societal stress, the emotional well-being matters a lot. So that time, if someone like us will be there to handhold them in the journey, I think it's really helpful to the couple.
Yeah.
And so it is one-on-one sessions with the couple, and then we take care of every aspect of it. And yeah, this
So
is
you say every aspect, like what do you mean? Because वो ऐसे कौन से lifestyle changes आप उनको inspire or initiate करते हो, which can help them in this journey?
so first and utmost important is consistency.
Absolutely.
Because it is so much needed. Everyone is like time नहीं है, बट अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे भी टाइम नहीं है तो वी आर देयर टू मोटिवेट यू, टू गाइड यू. आपकी जो पूरा रूटीन है उसमें से थोड़ा टाइम निकालने में हम आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, गाइडिंग यू थ्रू द योर एंटायर डे. हम आपका डे भी प्लान करके आपको बताएंगे कि कहाँ पे आप टाइम निकाल सकते हो, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम इतने इन्वॉल्व होते हैं रूटीन में कि हमें लगता है कि टाइम नहीं है, बट व्हेन वी एनालाइज विथ यू तो पता चलता है कि ओके बहुत सारा टाइम है जो यूटिलाइज हो सकता है. सो दैट्स हाउ विद द कॉन्वर्जेशन, विद एनालिसिस, विद टूल्स, वी मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि आप यहाँ पे टाइम निकाल सकते हो एंड वी आर देयर, आप आंसरेबल हो. क्योंकि जैसे डाइटिंग में बहुत लोग कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं.
Right.
क्यों? क्योंकि एवरी वीक उनको जाके वो वेइंग स्केल पे खड़ा होना पड़ता है. सेम वे यहाँ पे भी यू आर आंसरेबल टू अस. एवरी वीकेंड, एवरी 15 डे यू आर आंसरेबल कि आपने ये किया नहीं किया. सो that's how we make you conscious. We make you mindful also, and we help you to be consistent. हम आपको एक हैबिट फॉर्म करने में हेल्प करेंगे, और ये जो हैबिट है वो शायद पूरी लाइफ आपको काम लगेगी, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट बीज संस्कार. ये तो एक प्रोसेस है जो आप, अगर आपकी लाइफ में आ गया ये प्रोसेस, तो आप पूरी लाइफ इसको फॉलो कर सकते हो. एंड आई मीन इट्स देन आपको गर्भ संस्कार में भी, पेरेंटिंग में भी यही काम लगेगा.
एक्चुअली और ये प्रोसेस ना कमाल का है कि द मोमेंट यू स्टेप इनटू इट, आई थिंक अंदर से खुद ही आपकी सोच बदलती जाती है और आप उस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करने लगते हो. देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट दैट.
सो जितनी कंसिस्टेंसी आप लाओगे उतना ही आप अपने बच्चों को भी फ्यूचर में सिखा पाओगे कि भाई दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. और बच्चों को जितना आप बोल के नहीं सिखा पाओगे वो करके दिखा पाओगे. तो जो आप करोगे वो बच्चे देखेंगे, एंड अल्टीमेटली यू डोंट नीड टू टीच देम, जस्ट शो देम.
जिसे वो संस्कार इज कि जो वो देखते हैं वो पिक करते हैं. इसमें सब जनरेशंस के संस्कार चले आ रहे हैं. इट्स योर लाइफस्टाइल बेसिकली, राइट? And how do you, what are the practices you recommend for emotional hygiene process? Like emotionally अपने आप को साफ करते strong बनाने के लिए.
Yeah. So first of all, self-analysis, or admitting that okay, I am wrong here. वो नहीं आता है. मतलब नहीं कर पाते लोग। अपनी गलतियों को एक्सेप्ट करना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एनी ह्यूमन, लाइक इवन फॉर मी।
Yes.
एट टाइम्स मैं भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, एंड माय किड्स ऑलवेज से दैट मम्मा आप नहीं करते हो, आप अपनी गलती नहीं मानते हो, यू नो, सो इट हैपेंस एंड इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल। बट अगर आपने ये प्रैक्टिस में लाया और ट्राई करना शुरू किया, देन इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल थिंग। उसके बाद आता है जर्नलिंग। तो वी मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई it is important to write your thoughts and then work on it. So that is second thing. Then meditation, pranayam, all that tools and techniques we make them understand. So इस तरह से हम पूरी process लेके जाते हैं when it comes to emotional well-being and boundaries.
Okay.
नहीं कर मतलब हमें पता ही नहीं है, तो या तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा सहन करते हैं या हम बहुत ज़्यादा वोकल होते हैं। सो व्हाट वी डू इज़ लाइक मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ करके हम छोड़ देते हैं चीज़ों को, बट वी डोंट वांट टू लर्न और अंडरस्टैंड कि मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, राइट? कभी हमने ये तो नहीं सोचा कि मैं ऐसी क्यों हूँ। वी जस्ट से टू पीपल दैट मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, राइट? बट देन वी मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड टू क्वेश्चन कि मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, क्या रीजंस है इसके पीछे और मुझे इसमें क्या काम करना है। बिल्कुल, सो दैट्स हाउ एंड आई कैन गिव यू वन ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल ऑफ अ कपल who came to us for conception only and preconception basically, and then we were working with self analysis and the journey of their own, and so the beautiful thing came out is like the the boy, like the male, so he has some issues from the childhood with the father, and the distance is there, communication gap is there with the father, and then literally I mean he started crying when he was sharing this, that I don't want to be the same person like my father, I don't want to be that father kind of thing. And then I called the father also, and then the reunion happened, and it was a beautiful moment at that time. So I think touching those lives is, something which makes me happy, and at the end of the day. So yeah, this is what we do.
So basically, journaling and addressing your own emotions
Yes.
help you realize ke what was the missing link,
Yes.
right? And that brings about your change, and you realize आप ऐसे क्यों हैं.
Yes.
And when you realize that, your process of changing starts,
Yes.
which helps in your parenting.
Yes. Let's say if I combine this to Ayurveda and the ancient wisdom, वहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है कि जैसे मैंने बोला, वहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं कि आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो जैसा आपको बच्चा चाहिए, राइट? बट वी नेवर वांट द द नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ आर्स इन आवर चिल्ड्रन, राइट?
Exactly.
कभी भी जैसे बच्चे को सब लोग देखते तो जो अच्छी बातें होते हैं वही बोलते कि पापा जैसा है या मम्मी जैसा है, मेरे जैसा है, जो
Right.
जो भी अच्छा है वो मेरे जैसा है, सो वी ऑलवेज फील गुड अबाउट इट. बट when we combine both the things, so in that sometime it says that about our doshas also, like vat pitta kapha. So it says that certain prakriti, if you have vata prakriti and your wife has pitta prakriti, and then the combination of that, so certain some seasons also you are not supposed to conceive, because then again your child also have those prakriti major. So same way, when it comes to emotional part of it, you need to consider that what my negatives are, what my wife's negative, and then let's just work on it, so we will not carry forward this in our children,
Right.
right? So
Motherhood is a new chapter, and you deserve the right support. Nine and Beyond gives you daily routines, masterclasses, and guided practices, combining the best of science and Garv Sanskar traditions. It's more than an app, it's your personal pregnancy coach. Start your journey with Nine and Beyond today. Download now. This is how the wisdom of the past helps them see the possibilities of the future, like you say,
yeah,
to make a better life for themselves and
the theoretic.
actually, we had one couple who went through the process of the Sanskar, started much before conception. So they, yeah, it was beautiful. This couple had the realization कि conception वहाँ से शुरू होता है. The day you start planning I want a baby, they went through the whole process of detoxifying their body and their mind and their emotions. And the father said that's such a beautiful line when he was sitting here. He says, मुझे एक दिन ये realize हुआ, हमें when they were talking and this हमें ऐसा बच्चा चाहिए वैसा बच्चा चाहिए, and it hit me, क्या मैं खुद वैसा हूँ? क्या मैं खुद अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए वैसा हूँ? He said it hit him so hard that is where his moment of changes started coming in. He started working on himself, and the day he felt that yes, that change has come, they went in for conception. Imagine. It was beautiful.
Yeah.
This awareness, this realization was beautiful in that couple.
Yeah.
And like they say, कि you get pregnant together.
Yeah.
You know,
Now
fashion नहीं है.
Yeah, now it
Yeah,
is a
pregnant.
terminology.
But it is not just for Instagram photo. You are actually pregnant together.
Yes.
There is no doubt.
And now they say, no, we are pregnant.
Absolutely.
It's beautiful, actually.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful. So, any other technique, especially for emotional cleansing and hygiene, you want to talk?
I think all these tools, techniques we use, we go deep into their own childhood and their journey and everything which, they want to wash off before conception, they want to. So sometimes people just don't talk. कभी शेयर ही नहीं किया होता है चीज़ें. तो वो जब प्रोसेस होता है, तब बहुत सारी चीज़ें सामने आती है कि ओके, वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन समटाइम फियर.
Right.
We have, like, every one of us has some or other fear. Let's say I always have a fear of dark, but then after realization and after understanding all these things, that I realized that okay, I have to work on my fear. So and then I realized that why this fear, ये fear आया कहाँ से. So then I went back to my childhood, and then I realized that when I was young, I was a very avid reader. Like, I read a lot, and especially fairy tales and everything. Like, whatever you give me, I read. I was like that, but more of fairy tales I was reading, and then the Gujarati comics, and there was always a story about a princess and a devil who always came from behind, and so all those were so much in my mind. I always feel fear of dark, and I always feel that someone came from back behind and attack on me. So then I started working. I started going actually into dark at night and drive my car. And still I have, like, something that back seat. I always check my back seat and then I sit in the car. So you need to work on you. And once you understand, you need to analyze, and then you need to work on it, and then you overcome your fear. So this is a process, and every one of us has some or other fear, and if we don't have, then it's God's grace. But
Absolutely.
we need to work on, because otherwise we pass everything to our child. So I think we
Tell me one thing. ये तो आप प्रोफेशनल हैं, तो आपके जो आसपास आपके लोग हैं उनको प्रोफेशनल हेल्प मिल रही है, राइट? व्हाट अबाउट रूरल एरियाज और those maybe where this help is not there, counseling people are not there. How about those? उधर कैसे पहुंच आप? हाउ डू यू विजुअलाइज टू रीच दोज पीपल? आपकी नजर में वो कौन सा विजन है where everybody can get this kind of help and aware? सबसे पहले awareness and then the health.
So I think to create awareness, हम और आप काम कर ही रहे हैं, और आपके जैसे लोग बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं इस फील्ड में. सो आई थिंक वी together we can create awareness about Garbh Sanskar, Beej Sanskar, and the ancient Indian wisdom all together, or with the support of technology, I feel, in today's time. So we have created mobile application, and we named it Adi. Adi means beginning, as we all know. Adi se Ant.
Right.
So beginning of human life, and with this mobile apps help, our vision is to reach to the tier 2, tier 3 cities, and with the support of government, probably we are trying to shake hand with government in certain way, that we can combine this entire program of Atma framework with government activities, and we can reach out to tier 2, tier 3 cities. So this is the goal, because what I feel is like, in urban cities still there is knowledge, there is availability of everything, but वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है, ठीक है? और दूसरा कि वहाँ पे एक हंगर भी है। उनको ऐसा है कि आज मैं जो सिचुएशन में हूँ, मुझे अपने बच्चों को वो सिचुएशन में नहीं जाने देना है, राइट? ये थॉट कहाँ से आया वो भी मैं आपको बताती हूँ, बिकॉज़ आई हैव अ कपल हू वर्क फॉर अस लाइक हाउसहोल्ड मेड. When the girl was pregnant, and that time we were into the process of making this app, and she was probably the first 100 clients में से एक थी मेरी, not client, but I told her to use the app, and the app was in Hindi also that time. So she was using it like thoroughly, like किसी ने इतना यूज नहीं किया होगा जितना मेरी वो मेड ने किया. And today, if I can see the result in the baby also, in the baby is in our house only, it's so healthy, happy child. I can say he's so happy child. सबके साथ वो खेलता है और एकदम मतलब टचवुड बहुत हैप्पी बच्चा है. सो इट इज लाइक ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिंग अ हैप्पी ह्यूमंस ऑन दिस अर्थ. सो वहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि दिस पीपल दे नीड दिस, और उनको वो एक हंगर है कि मुझे बेहतर बेहतर होना है, मेरे बच्चे को बेहतर बनाना है, एंड आई विल डू एवरीथिंग विच हैज बीन सेड फॉर दिस. अगर उनको थोड़ा सा भी ट्रेन करो आप, सी टेक्नोलॉजी तो अभी सब जगह, मोबाइल सब जगह पहुंच गया है, उनको यूज करना भी आता है. It's not difficult for them to use anything, any application or anything. So I think it is just thoda sa hand holding, and we can create a good, I think we can create a better India. Probably.
No doubt about it. Even I strongly believe. और कितनी सारी चीजें ऐसी थी जिसमें ऐसे, I hope somebody out there is listening and they will pick it up and introduce it at school level, college level, these kind of programs, because I think it's the बोलते हैं ना demand of the hour. यही होना चाहिए आज के दिन में इस दुनिया को बेहतर बनाने की. Absolutely. Like another thing which we see in your work is you're you're very clear cut about the reforms menstrual cycle को लेके, right? You're very vocal about it. What exactly you want to work on, and what is that one thing you want every girl, every woman to unlearn about periods?
So, why I talk more about it? Because see, again, as we talk about Bija Sanskar, but the journey start from the once the menstrual cycle start off for a girl, right? So वहीं से एक journey start हो जाती है, and then during that time again so many myths and things about menstrual cycle in India still. Though we are so much now, we have created so much awareness, and many movies came for that particular thing, but still if you go to villages and if you see the scenario over there, there are some still things to work on. So everything is like sometimes what happened is girls are not, I mean, feeling shame to talk about it, or they're nervous talking about it. So what I believe is it start from home itself. Let's say I'm a mother of 2 boys, but then I make them understand at very young age that what is menstrual cycle all about, what happened when a girl or your mom is in that having the menstrual periods or anything. So they are emotional enough about it, they understand the I mean, वो बोलते हैं ना कि उनको वो एक एम्पैथेटिकल समझ में आता है कि ये सिचुएशन में मुझे क्या करना है, या मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या होनी चाहिए एक फीमेल के बारे में. सो आई थिंक इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम होम. जो भी मतलब जिनके भी बॉयज़ है, लाइक मेल चिल्ड्रन है, तो वो सारी मदर्स को ये उनको सिखाना चाहिए, समझाना चाहिए, रादर देन वो जब पूछते हैं कि सैनिटरी नैपकिन क्या होता है, तो हम मतलब मैनी मदर्स आर देयर, वो जवाब नहीं देती कि वो तुम्हें नहीं समझने की ज़रूरत है. इट्स नॉट दैट, लाइक यू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इट इज़. उनको तो 7th ग्रेड में आ जाता है, राइट? रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम तो 7th ग्रेड में आ जाता है, उनको तो सब पता तो है ही. आप अपने हिसाब से क्या बताते हो दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट। अगर वो बच्चा बाहर जाके कुछ और सीख के आता है, उससे तो अच्छा है आप ही घर में सिखा दो।
बिल्कुल।
So that is how I think we have to connect the dots. And if we create this generation, then ये सारी जो चीज़ें हो रही है around us वो भी बहुत कम हो जाएगी। So they think empathetically towards it, and I think वो problem भी कम हो जाएगा।
Absolutely. No, I think it's a very important point, like you said, and it's very commendable that as a boy mother, you felt the need to tell your son what it is so that he has a very empathetic approach towards a girl and a woman when she is going through those days of her periods. Like, I think it's a very beautiful thought on
Yeah,
your.
and I am so there was one incident, and that time I realized that why this is important to tell him. So it happened with my younger one, and so when he was in school, and the holy celebration, before holy day, kids are like
Yeah.
playing with water and everything, like whatever they have. So it so happened that he just splashed water on one of the girl's dress, and then she was pissed off and she was very angry, and then he was not understanding. And then he has a habit to come home and share everything. So he was like, मम्मा पानी डाल दिया उसमें तो इतना गुस्सा हो गई, पता नहीं क्या हो गया, मैंने क्या ही कर दिया, like and then I told him that probably she is into her menstrual cycle. I'm not sure, but probably it हो सकता है ऐसा, तो उसकी वजह से वो गुस्से हो गई होगी। देन आई मेक हिम अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इट इज एंड व्हाई शी डजंट वांट टू गेट वेट, एंड बिकॉज वो कॉन्शियस हो जाती, इसलिए। तो दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट अगर बच्चों को ये चीज़ें पता होगी तो वो थोड़ा सेंसिटाइज करेंगे उस चीज़ के बारे में, सो दैट्स वेयर आई फील दैट कि ये समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड आई फील लाइक uh, it is very important also to share, and after that whatever happened in their life, so even with the friends, like sometimes something really scary or big happened in their journey of this teenage and young adulthood and everything, but I feel so proud that he always said to his, my mom is the best person to share this. If any problem occurs, he's always like, let's talk to my mother. She's the best person to advise for this particular problem, So I mean, that time I feel that, okay, whatever I have done worth.
Absolutely. And सबसे बड़ी बात जो आपने अपने बच्चों को सिखाई which I am picking up here is कि अगर सामने वाला नाराज हुआ तो उसने ये सिर्फ यहाँ पे बात को नहीं छोड़ा कि वो नाराज हुआ, उसने जानने की कोशिश करी कि आपने उसको ये समझा कि वो क्यों नाराज हो, व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज, सो ही विल नेवर होल्ड अ grudge,
Yeah.
right? Which is such a big foundation of building a relationship in future.
Yes.
Of all kinds.
Yeah.
In every relationship, that is a foundation, isn't it? When you learn compassionately कि सामने वाला क्यों नाराज हुआ और वो क्यों ऐसे बिहेव कर रहा है,
Yeah.
I think her relationship में 50% battles will be won that day. This is, I think, a very, very beautiful example of how you can help in character building with your own behavior
Yes.
and what your mindset is.
क्योंकि हम जनरली हम ऐसा करते हैं ना कि जो भी इमोशंस है बच्चों के, हम उसको हमेशा सप्रेस करते हैं। जैसे गुस्सा नहीं करना है, इसमें क्या डरना है, डरने की थोड़ी बात होती है, सो वी ऑलवेज सप्रेस देयर इमोशंस, बट वी नेवर आस्क देम कि आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है। सो इफ वी आस्क देम देन तो वी गॉट टू नो कि गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल।
बट वो तो हम पूछते ही नहीं, हम तो यही बोल देते गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए, गुस्सा इज वेरी बैड, कभी नहीं करना चाहिए, रोना नहीं चाहिए या तो डरना नहीं चाहिए। बट डर क्यों लग रहा है? सो फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि डर क्यों लग रहा है। जब आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इस चीज से डर लग रहा है, तब तो आप उसके ऊपर काम कर पाओगे। राइट, सो आई थिंक एवरी पेरेंट शुड फर्स्ट आस्क कि ये क्यों हो रहा है आपके साथ, व्हाई यू आर बिहेविंग इन सर्टेन वे और सर्टेन मैनर,
Right.
एंड देन यू टॉक टू योर चाइल्ड।
Absolutely. And by doing this, you will raise an adult,
Yeah.
who will adapt the same lifestyle thing and will help the other generation to build better.
Yeah.
Right? Perfect. What is that one message you would want to convey to everyone who's listening out there? They have their moments of anxiety, of fear, or doubts about themselves,
Yeah.
about motherhood, parenthood, whatever. आप क्या उनको मैसेज देना चाहते?
Uh, I think parenting is not something, it's not scary. And it is not stressful also if you understand it well. And anxiety की तो बिल्कुल जगह नहीं है, because अगर it is वो आपके हाथ में है कि आप कैसा इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हो। तो अगर आप ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हो अपने बच्चे के लिए कि जहाँ पे वो हैप्पी फील कर रहा है, तो फिर ये एंजाइटी, फियर या स्ट्रेस किसी की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। बट येस, यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट फॉर एवरीथिंग यू डू। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने 1 दिन कर दिया, 2 दिन कर दिया, फिर छोड़ दिया, फिर अगेन। नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट। यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट। अगर आपने एक कुछ स्टार्ट किया है, तो बी फार्म अबाउट इट। वो एक प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यूअसली करो, ताकि आप अपने बच्चों को भी वो कंसिस्टेंसी सिखा पाओ और आपकी भी लाइफ़स्टाइल में, हैबिट में वो आ जाए। सो पेरेंटिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग, consciousness, mindfulness, and consistency. So just be consistent about whatever you are doing.
Yeah, I think it's a very valuable lesson which you're learning today कि कंसिस्टेंटली अपने आप को बदलते रहिए, ग्रो करते रहिए
Yes.
अपने बच्चों के साथ, एंड हर दिन हर पल को नया बना के, नया समझ के, ये मान के चलिए कि व्हेन यू एंटर दैट मोमेंट you didn't know anything about it, so you will learn in the process, which will help you, empathetically to look at this in a much better way.
So that's how we have given the name V positive parenting. So V is we as a parent, and if we both are like, positive or happy, or we can create that environment of positivity, then I think it's very easy to raise children. And whatever comes in, like, see, it's not that कि कुछ नहीं होगा. See, we all are humans, we have our ups and downs, सब कुछ आएगा, but we have to create that environment where ये सब आता जाता रहेगा, but still the child will be happy and we will be happy.
Absolutely. So everything will go hand in hand. Yes. With mindfulness, with consciousness, yes, and consistency, right? These are
These are the
that-
three
and
keys.
observation.
Yes, all of the way.
And I feel आपकी बातों से what I'm picking up है, सामने वाले को ऑब्जर्व करने से पहले खुद को ऑब्जर्व करते रहिए।
ये तब
इस मोमेंट पे जब सामने वाला ये कर रहा है, तो what am I doing?
Yeah.
Right? And I think that awareness will change the reactions to responses probably,
Yeah.
and that can really help probably. Like,
So I think that's so learn.
teaching me also something today which I try to inculcate my life also. So no,
So it's
Such a-
pleasure being here, and it's always like it always comes within. So I always say that on parenting I can talk like on and on, like कितने भी घंटे बिठा दो मेरे को, I can talk on this subject, because this is something I live for, and my entire focus, my entire motive of the life is the happiness of the child or unborn child, or जो अभी ये दुनिया में आया भी नहीं है, but still I would like to work for the happiness of that child.
and that only we adults can do. Yes, right? Thank you so much, Asha ji. It was such a pleasure talking to you. A great learning experience, and
It's always
I
valuable.
wish you a amazingly successful journey in this line, and hopefully together we can bring some change in the society.
Definitely.
First within ourselves,
Yeah.
so that we can bring out the change in others, like, leading by example.
Yeah.
So we need to all work on ourselves first. So thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
Such a pleasure. Thank you so much, everyone out there. I hope आज की wisdom, like we say कि हर इंसान का point of view हमको एक नई बात सिखा के जाता है. And वही चीजें हैं end of the day, but a different angle to it, a different point of view teaches us so much better, gives us better clarity. So I hope this wisdom and knowledge works for you. आपके अंदर की आत्मा, इस आत्मा के जागृति से आपको रोशन करे, आपके आने वाले बच्चों को दुनिया में रोशन करे, और आप लोग सब मिलके इस दुनिया को रोशन करें और इस लायक बनाएं जिस दुनिया में आप इस बच्चे को लाना चाहते हैं. इट गोज हैंड इन हैंड. सो लेट्स क्रिएट द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट in which we want our child to come into, so that the child tomorrow gives you back what you wanted out of the child. Together, let's work on it. let's go beyond the realms of what बोलते हैं जो हमारे mindsets है and achieve what we can humanly do. And yes, we can. We are possible. We are not impossible. Thank you so much for being here with us. Till we meet again, take care and God bless.